Okay, we got a pair of simultaneous equations, and we're supposed to find the point of intersection of those two lines and give our answer in this form right here, a plus b radical 3. So let's see what happens. Here are the two graphs, x plus y equals 3, and 2x minus square root of 3 times y equals 5. Here are the answers. And on the next page, we'll see how we got to them. And there's the point of intersection right there. So let's see what happens. So this is your pair of simultaneous linear equations. Looks like the substitution method might be a way to go. We could multiply the first equation by -2 and use addition elimination also. But if I solve the first equation for y equals 3 minus x, which I substitute into the other equation, there's the value for y in terms of x. Distribute the negative radical 3 times each term inside that parentheses. We've got two similar terms, the 2x and the radical 3 times x. And we'll take the negative radical 3 to the other side of the equal sign by adding the opposite. Factor out the x on the left side, and then divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is this 2 plus the square root of 3. So there's your answer right there, but that's not the form we want. So we're going to rationalize the denominator by multiplying numerator and denominator by the conjugate of 2 plus the square root of 3. The reason we do that is because in the denominator we get a difference of squares, which eliminates the radical. So we get 4 minus 3 in the denominator, which is 1. In the numerator, we'll have to use FOIL. 5 times 2 is 10. That's the product of the two first terms. The outer product is -5 radical 3. The inner product plus 6 radical 3. And then the product of the two last terms is 3 radical 3 times negative radical 3, which is -9. So when we combine the similar terms in that numerator, we get 1 plus the square root of 3. That's the x-coordinate of the point of intersection right there. And if we want to find the y-coordinate, we can use this. Y equals 3 minus x, but x is 1 plus the square root of 3. Remove the parentheses, combine similar terms, and there's the y-coordinate of the point of intersection. Okay, so from the first page, this was 1 plus the square root of 3, and the y-coordinate was 2 minus the square root of 3. There you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.